What do we have here? Oh, looks like a campsite. Oh, cool. That's neat. Oh yeah, there we go. Whoa! Holy crap. What is that? The thing just hit like... Woo! Is that a rainbow trout or salmon? Oh wow. Oh, strong fish, strong fish. Woo! Oh, I get my net. Wow. Oh yeah, that's a beautiful rainbow trout. Okay, this is a pretty awkward spot. Fighting current here, and he's all wrapped up. There we go. Oh, woo! Yes. Wow. Look at this fish. Oh, what a beautiful rainbow, guys. Okay, I gotta. What a weird spot. Bring him up here, so that when I let him go, he'll have some water, because I don't know if I'll let him go over there. Woo! That was awesome. Oh, look at him. Wow. Beautiful, guys. Okay. Gone. Here we go, guys. I think it's a pink salmon. Awesome. Oh, sweet. Wow, what a beautiful fish. Wow. First ever pink salmon. Wow, just beautiful. Wow. Absolutely amazing fish. Beautiful. Just look at the humpback on this. Okay, another fish on. That looks like a pink salmon again. Awesome. Wow, these guys are swimming right into the current. Oh, wow. Oh, a nice one too. Wow. Okay, it's gonna be a bit awkward to land yet again. So let's see if we can steer him over here. Hey buddy, stay with me. Don't leave. Wow. Okay, it's like, oh no, 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 not that way, not that way, not that way. Whoa, it just, wow, what a strong fish. Oh boy. Not done yet. Oh no, 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 not that way, not that way. Nope. Going right where I don't want him to go. See if we can't steer him in here. Ooh, oh yeah, there we go. Woo! Another pink salmon today. Awesome. Cool. Pink salmon, second one today. There we go. Oh. I think I'll be alright. Hold on, he's probably too shallow. I'm gonna move him deeper. Oh no, there he goes. Nice. Woo! Oh, 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 oh. Oh, that was awesome. Right back. I thought he was gonna go way upstream. I guess this is as far as I can go for now until the water level comes up. Another fish. This one seems very small. Oh, is that a little brookie? Yeah, it's a little brook trout. Oh, wow. Yeah. Little brook trout. Awesome. I get my net. Oh. Phew. Okay, my friend. Oh wow, beautiful little brook trout.